So I tried something I've never done before at a first rehearsal. I gave space for a check in, where I asked 3 prompts to our cast. What about this music excites you? What about it confuses you? And what about it surprises you? I invited everyone to share after I also did. It took about 10 to 15 minutes, with some impromptu mini conversations that were happening. And I learned a lot from trying this. First, I found that it humanized us. We got to know each other more deeply than the usual meet and greet intros. Second, it was an immediate opportunity to bond over a shared experience of working on the score. And there were so many Me Too moments. Third, it opened ourselves up to many different perspectives from different people. Fourth, it gave space for the singers to talk rather than to be talked at. And finally, we all got to be seen equally. I'm confident that there is something powerful here with this kind of check in. I care a lot about bettering our work culture for us to feel safe to do our best work and to maximize our growth. This seems like one step toward it, and I invite you to try it as well. My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider subscribing in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.